Hey guys, Wix100 here, and I am starting my new GIMP tutorial series. So the first few things I will do is the very basic GIMP features, like how to use tools, layers, and filters. So those will be my first 3 GIMP tutorials, and then I will start going into more specific stuff, like how to make a star field, like with space and a nebula galaxy type thing, or how to make lightning, or how to make a cloth banner and different textures and stuff. So the first few tutorials will be different tools and tricks, and then I will get into more specified tutorials after that. So first thing would be to create a new file. So I generally do 1024 stuff, that way I can always scale it down, and then I also do fill color transparency. So let's start with that. Okay, so first tool is the the pencil. So a pencil is a brush tool that does not do any transparency. So the lines here are rough. It's by pixel. There is also paintbrush, which is, let's go with that brush. It's similar to the pencil, except as you can see, it can do soft lines. Even with the solid brush, still has a slight soft line. There is also the paint bucket, which just fills a solid area. The gradient tool, which you can change the shape of the gradient. You can do a radial design, or that was not a good example, or square, or bilinear, or even singular linear. And you can choose from all kinds of predetermined gradients, or you can do gradients based off of your foreground and background colors. There's also the eraser, which, let's set that there. You can have the eraser set to do hard lines like the pencil, or you can have this hard edge option turned off, and then it does soft lines like the brush. There's also the rectangular selection tool, the ellipse selection tool, the lasso selection tool, which with the lasso tool you can also do straight lines. The color selection tool, which selects all of the same color. So if I do that, the color selection tool selects all of that color on the image. And then the fuzzy selection tool selects all of the same color that's connected. There's also cropping. Cropping, which allows you to, well, crop. And the last tool I'm going to go over is the text tool, which 400 is way too small for this cropping. And let's change the color to black. So you can bold, italics, underline, strike through, etc. So those were the different basic tools in GIMP, the ones that I will be using most often. A lot of it is self-explanatory, like most, they are the same functions that are in most, if not all, graphic editors like GIMP. So, hope you enjoyed. Check out all the stuff down in the description. Till next time, bye!